Hey, yo, I am living as a broke person. Come, budget my salary with me. So let's start. The total amount that gets into my account on payday is 10,270. And then for rent and electricity, I pay 2,400. Then I have this rule of saving 10% of my salary every month, which is about 1,000 rand. And then at the beginning of the month, I buy groceries costing about 1,400 rand. And then I am currently studying, I pay 1,200 rand for fees at UNISA. And then every month I budget 500 rand for my hair, and then clothes 700 rand, but I don't buy clothes every month, so sometimes the money that I budget there for clothes I use it for food. And I pay 535 rand for internet, and then 140 rand for DSTV. And then for petrol I budget about 800 rand. And then, okay, let's go down. Let's see what's happening there. And then stokvel 400 rand, meat 400 rand, and then there's an emergency fund which I use for extra costs during the month, which is about 700 rand, Google 40 rand, Showmax 50 rand. So you see, the money is gone just like that. The total amount of what I've budgeted for, it's 10,265. Remember, the money that comes into my account, it's what? 10,270. So in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly what I have spent on each projected cost. Thank you.